mind-blowing color facts that will change how you see the world. Color, it's everywhere, isn't it? But have you ever stopped to think about just how complex this seemingly simple phenomenon really is? Color isn't just a visual treat. It profoundly shapes our perceptions, influences our emotions, and even affects our behavior in ways we often don't realize. Understanding the science and psychology of color is key to unlocking a deeper appreciation for the world around us. Get ready to have your mind blown. Here's a mind bender. Objects don't actually have color. They simply reflect certain wavelengths of light. It's our brains that interpret these wavelengths and create the sensation we experience as color. So, color is essentially a construct of our minds. This means that your experience of color is subjective. What you perceive as blue might be slightly different from what someone else sees. Individual differences, like the number and type of cone cells in your eyes, can influence your color perception. It's a truly personal experience. Even something as simple as the lighting conditions can drastically alter how we perceive color. That dress that broke the internet? A perfect example. And get this, your emotional state can even play a role. Studies have shown that our mood can subtly shift how we see the world, color included. Color isn't just something pretty to look at. It has a real tangible impact on our minds and bodies. Think about how different colors make you feel. Color can influence your mood, from calming blues to energizing reds. Believe it or not, color can even affect your appetite. Restaurants often use specific color schemes to encourage or discourage eating. And it doesn't stop there. Color has even been shown to impact pain perception. Some hospitals use calming colors to help patients feel more comfortable. Blue, for example, is often associated with calmness and serenity. That's why you see it used in spas and meditation spaces. On the other hand, red is known to stimulate excitement and energy. Think of the power of a red sports car or a red sale sign. Businesses are well aware of the power of color. They strategically use it in marketing to influence consumer behavior. Interior designers also carefully consider color psychology when creating spaces. They know how to use color to create a specific mood or feeling. Even healthcare facilities are using color to improve patient outcomes. Calming colors can reduce anxiety and promote healing. Did you know that approximately 8% of men experience some form of colorblindness? It's much less common in women, affecting only about 0.5%. The most common type of colorblindness is red-green color deficiency. This means that individuals have difficulty distinguishing between red and green hues. Colorblindness arises from a malfunction in the cone cells in the eyes. These cells are responsible for detecting different wavelengths of light. Colorblindness highlights the diversity of human perception. It reminds us that not everyone experiences the world in the same way. It also highlights the limitations of our visual systems. We tend to assume that everyone sees color the same way we do, but that's not always the case. Our brains are pretty amazing. They have this ability called color constancy, which helps us maintain color consistency under varying lighting conditions. Color constancy allows us to recognize a red apple as red, even if it's under dim light or bright sunlight. Without color constancy, the world would be a very confusing place. Everything would constantly be changing color depending on the lighting. This is a testament to the brain's incredible ability to compensate for changes in the environment and maintain a stable perception of reality. Humans are trichromats, meaning we have 3 types of cone cells that allow us to see a wide range of colors. But some animals have even more. Birds and insects, for example, are often tetrachromats, meaning they have 4 cone cells. Imagine seeing colors that humans can't even imagine. Tetrachromats perceive a world of color that is far richer and more complex than our own. On the other hand, dogs are dichromats, meaning they only have 2 cone cells. This limits their color range compared to humans. Synesthesia is a fascinating neurological phenomenon where the stimulation of one sense triggers another. For example, some individuals with synesthesia might hear colors or see sounds. It's like their senses are cross-wired. This demonstrates the interconnectedness of our senses. It shows that the brain isn't just a collection of separate modules, but a complex network. Synesthesia highlights the brain's incredible capacity for unique and subjective experiences. It's a reminder that everyone's perception of reality is slightly different. These facts only scratch the surface of the fascinating world of color. There's so much more to explore and discover. I hope this has given you a new appreciation for the complexity of visual perception and the profound impact color has on our lives. Color involves a complex interplay of light, biology, and the power of the mind. It's a truly remarkable phenomenon.